on and make you wanna marry me. Hey, put it on and make you wanna marry me. Hey, put your head on my shoulder. You pretty baby. So, today I'm going to be cleaning my room at 2 a.m. And after filming this video and watching it, I realized how delusional I am at 2 a.m. I started off pretty strong and then I went down here from there because I planned on talking during this video, but most of the time I was not talking, so most of this is going to be a voiceover. And that wasn't planned, so that shows you right there. But maybe this will help you guys be motivated to clean, because if your house is still dirty during quarantine, you're nasty. And that's just point blank period. There's no excuses.
If I do go to sleep, please don't hang up.
What? Why? I cannot believe I'm about to clean my room at 2 a.m. Almost fell. Wait, how does it go? I don't know if you can see that there's a stain on my shorts somewhere. I was cleaning a makeup palette. There was makeup on my hands and I went to like touch my shorts and got makeup on it. So we're going to start up here in this corner. So this over here. So this is before I got the nail drill I have now, I bought this drill and it didn't work, and I basically wasted $20 because when I took it back, they replaced. They told me they couldn't because of the virus, and then the woman dropped it on the floor and I lost one of the pieces. I needless to say, didn't realize I hadn't picked up all the pieces and I forgot one, so now I'm not ready to return it. So that was fun. So over here I have notebooks and stuff, and it's not a flattering look, so I'm going to move those into my closet. What is in here?
These are my Girl Scout pair of shoes.
Don't mind my hair, it's 2 a.m. Those are fun. I mean, if you were a Girl Scout when you were younger, what were you doing? I'm going to keep this. Oh, here's my old iPad. Bro, how did I have all this stuff over here? An old phone. Zoom out, that's nasty looking. So my hair's a mess. I need to decide what I'm gonna put in these bottom drawers. I don't know, but I gotta do something with these flashcards. These are a bunch I had to do for school this year. I need to throw those away because I'm never gonna use those. I can keep this stack. Flashcards is like one of the ways I love to study. Well, nobody loves to study, but you know, when I have to put a little bit more effort to remember something that I just can't remember, these flashcards. Look, there's more note cards. Where in the devil is all these coming from? First of all, I'm getting all these cords together. Put my computer on in there. Remember when I made that video about this cheap little action cam? I used it a few days ago to make an underwear TikTok. Decided I'm gonna move my nail polish over here because I have some nail tips and stuff. So I'm just gonna move my nail polish over here because it don't fit over there where I had it anyways. Okay, I think those are, wait, all those are nail polish, but I think this one's dried up, which is weird. This is not my newest one. Bro, really? That was literally a waste of money. It's a glitter one, and it's dry. Damn darn. I put the my nail polish over here, and But I used to have such a big nail polish collection. I don't know where the crap went. So now I'm gonna move my hair products to under there, where that there. So let's do that. I think I got all the hair stuff. Oh. So now I'm moving all my school stuff in here. I'll break this, I don't know how to fix it. What makes my closet look so messy is because when I get shirts, or when I'm getting a shirt out, or if I'm looking for a certain t-shirt, I don't be putting them back. So this is the voiceover that I've been dreading because I literally hate these. I don't enjoy hearing my voice, but I don't really have a choice. So well, there's your number 2. But mostly, like I said earlier, the reason my closet gets dirty is because I have these t-shirts and I just put them in there. So here's me knocking over my $2,000 camera like I'm rich or something. I don't know what was going on with me because that just didn't make no sense to me. So I was putting all these like overnight bags in this other bigger overnight bag, so we could you know what? So we can minimize the space. So there I go yawning again. And I actually just skipped a yawn, so there was another one. So we're actually on 7, but it's too late to add that. I'm just not doing it. So I'm still folding up stuff and putting everything in, just organizing it, making it look like tidier, because I don't know, that closet is either clean or it looks like animals living in there. So there's no in between. So we're trying to get it clean here. So at this point is when I get the trash bag and I try to literally throw away my whole room because I have no space for anything. So I was just literally picking up a bunch of trash and I just couldn't believe some of the stuff I was finding. So in this upcoming clip right here coming up, you'll see me looking through my window. My dog started barking and I thought somebody was like outside, so I got scared. So that's that. And then I literally fell asleep on camera. I forgot to cut off the camera. So I'll see y'all in the morning so we can continue. I got a hot ball in my mouth, so if I sound weird, that's why. So I'm pretty sure the first part of this video, it's just gonna be a voiceover because last night I was so tired. But I have to clean when I'm in the mood to clean if I'm gonna get anything done. But of course I didn't finish last night, so I got to do, I need to organize all this and clean this off, that back there, and then my shelves, and I gotta fix my bed, of course. So right now I'm about to do this, and by the way, I still got on the same clothes and stuff because I just woke up. So I look a hot mess. Let's do these. So, if you guys see a mark on my hand, I literally tried to burn my hand off with grease, so that was fun and very painful at the same time. But here I am cleaning out these drawers because these are just, God, I could just punch them in the face sometimes. They get on my nerves. It's a mess right now.
It's a mess?
Yeah, that's why I gotta clean it.
You gotta clean it?
Mm-hmm. As you can see, I got this drawer cleaned out and this one, so I'm about to put some makeup back in them and just try to organize them. See how that goes. Okay, so I pretty much got these drawers filled with makeup. This one's got like eye and face stuff, and this has got some eye stuff, and like you guys can tell, but I still have all this crap up here, so I gotta fix that. Okay, so the vanity's now done. I just put all of the skincare stuff and stuff that I use every day over there. Picture of me and my mom, and this looks like it has not been wiped, but it has. It's just that plastic. And then I have just some hair stuff, my brush, my everyday jewelry, and that's the area. Alright, so I still look a hot mess, but that's cute. So some of the stuff, oh, my room, it's like I'm cleaning, it's just getting dirtier because I don't know where to put this stuff. Anyways, so enjoy this video of me filming myself. I literally forgot to record me sweeping and mopping, but I did that, so surprise. And this is the after. Was my room after. As you guys can see, I think it's a pretty big difference, but I have literally had no sleep. I had a family emergency last night, so that's why this video is kind of going up late. I'm trying to finish it, but it's been kind of difficult. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you can like, comment, subscribe. If not, it's whatever. But yeah, I have some video ideas, and I don't know, this is what it's come to. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Peace out.